If you publish articles online or use AI article generators for digital content creation purposes such as writing ebooks or even making YouTube video scripts, you may want to watch this video to the end. Whenever you publish an article on the internet, some bots crawl these contents to read them for context before they are indexed on search engines like Google, Bing, and others. When these crawlers detect AI-generated content, they may flag it as spam, leading to lower rankings or, worse, limited to no visibility on index search engines. Using AI to generate content is a convenient option, but AI-generated content can be easily detected by AI crawlers. To bypass this problem, you either need to write content yourself or use the second option, rewriting the AI-generated content to make it appear more natural, like typical human-written content. HIX AI is a tool you can use to rewrite AI-generated content, making it natural enough to bypass AI detectors on the internet. This method is far easier and better than trying to reconstruct AI-generated content manually. In this video, I'm going to show you how it works and what you can use it for. I will generate AI content and then use HIX AI to humanize the content, allowing it to bypass AI crawlers. Let's start with generating some content with AI. This is ChatGPT, and I will also be using Google Gemini for this test. I'm going to use this exact text prompt on both AI text generators. It's a text prompt to write a 1,000-word article on the top 10 iconic cars that are now mostly forgotten. The rest of the text prompt also includes specific directions for the AI on how to write the content. After a few seconds, ChatGPT has generated the entire content. The content already looks good, and from what I can see, it fits into what I specifically asked for. I'll head over to Google Gemini and do the same thing. From what I can see at a glance, I feel like Google Gemini did a slightly better job. As I said earlier, we are going to test the before and after results of both of these AI-generated contents after they have been humanized using HIX AI. But before we begin the test, I have to put both of them in Google Docs so that we can easily copy and paste to and from them. This is the AI-generated content from ChatGPT, while this one is from Google Gemini. We will use the following AI scanners for both contents: Originality AI, GPTZero, Zero GPT, CopyLeaks, and Content at Scale AI detectors. After testing the content with these AI scanners, we will then use HIX AI to rewrite the contents and test them again for AI detection. Starting off with the content from ChatGPT, we will copy and paste it into Originality AI. Click on Scan Text, and here you can see it shows 100% AI-generated content. Heading over to GPT-Zero, we will do the same thing. Create a new scan, and then paste in the AI-generated content. Run a scan, and you can see that the results show as 100% AI-generated. Doing the same thing on Zero GPT, we get almost a 90% AI score. You know what this means already. On CopyLeaks, we create a new scan and test the AI, and it shows a similar result: 100% AI and 0% human. On Content at Scale, the AI shows that it passes as human. However, you can see that many sentences and even some words are highlighted in red to show that those are likely AI-generated text. In a moment, we'll be back to these results. Let's quickly test the output from Google Gemini and see what it looks like. On Originality AI, it's 100% AI probability. On GPT-Zero, it's the same thing. On Zero GPT, it's almost 100% AI probability. Testing it on CopyLeaks gives a very familiar result: 100% AI-generated content. Content at Scale AI detected it as human-written content, but there's a lot of parts that it highlights as probably AI-generated text. We'll see if we can reduce some of these red splotches. It's time to humanize the AI-generated content in HIX AI. Let's start with the content generated by ChatGPT. I'm going to highlight the entire thing, copy it, and head over to HIX. Here in the HIX interface, you can paste the AI-generated text into this text box area and then get the humanized output in this text box here. The AI text rewriter has 4 modes: fast, balanced, aggressive, and latest model. Personally, I've used this tool, and the latest model performs the best. After selecting the model you want, all that's left for you to do is click on the Humanize button. In a few seconds, the rewritten version is ready. As I said earlier, we are going to test this output in the same AI scanners we used initially, starting off with Originality AI. I'll create a new scan project, paste in the humanized passage, and scan for AI. And just as expected, the result shows 100% human written content. Just to be sure that it wasn't a mistake, I'll redo the test, and it's still the same result. On GPT-Zero, I'll also scan the new output, and as you can see, it's showing an AI probability of 3%, down from the 100% AI probability we previously got. On Zero GPT, we had almost 90% from the previous test. The new result shows a 3% probability of AI-generated content. CopyLeaks gives us a 100% probability that it's human-written content. We are back to content at scale AI. Even though it showed that the AI content passes as human, there were a bunch of sentences highlighted in red. So I'm going to reset the test for a new one. And just as I expected, those red splotches are almost gone. Here are a few things to note. As I indicated earlier, AI-generated content is not perfect, to say the least. If you have AI-generated content and you want to rewrite the entire thing yourself, it's going to be tedious and time-consuming, especially if you have a lot of articles to rewrite. HIX AI makes the job 20 times easier. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't look through the Humanize passage and make corrections where necessary. AI tools haven't become perfect yet, so if you want to bypass AI crawlers and be able to publish content without fear of being limited or even shadow banned because AI crawlers flagged your content as probably generated by a bot, HIX AI should be an option you consider. Use the links below to continue to the website and start using it right away. If you use the links in the description below, you'll get a discount whenever you decide to purchase a premium subscription. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out this video right here.